So on this edition of Mere Mortals, I'm going to talk a little bit about my lightning dark headlights that I put in a few months ago. So the update on those are, they've worked great, really like them, really happy with them, wonderful headlights. Did find a problem though. LEDs don't produce any heat. So a halogen bulb produces a lot of heat because it's a filament. It's actually essentially burning, and it produces infrared heat and it heats the lens of your headlight. That's very important because if you live in a colder climate, like I do, that gets cold in the winter, if the bulb isn't producing any heat, on the inside of the lens will fog over. So I found that out, and I'm actually going to post another video where I take the whole front end of my car off and put in new custom headlights. And during the process of that, I discovered this flaw with LEDs and also with xenon headlights. So if you're having condensation issues or moisture issues, chances are if you're running LEDs or xenon headlights, it's because the headlights aren't producing any heat to actually evaporate the moisture inside the headlight housing. So for now, during the winter, I'm going to run halogen headlights in it, and then in the summer, I can always switch it back out and put the LEDs back in. So that's my update.